You take the clothes off my back and I let you. You'd steal the food right out my mouth and I watch you eat it. I still don't know why I love you so much. Oh, and you curse my name in spite to put me to shame. Have my laundry in the streets, dirty or clean, give it up for fame. But I still don't know why I love it so much. Yeah. And baby, it's amazing I'm in this maze with you. I just can't crack a code. One day you're screaming you love me loud, the next day you're so cold. One day you're here, one day you're there, one day you care, you're so unfair. Sipping from your cup till it runneth over, holy grail.
Don't show me that money, nigga. Fuck that shit y'all talking about, I'm your nigga. Caught up in all these lights and cameras, look what that shit did to Hammer. Goddamn it, I like it, the bright lights enticing, but look what it did to Tyson. All the money in one night, did enough for one fight, but as soon as all the money blows, all the birds they flight.
I know nobody to blame, Kurt Cobain, I did it to myself. I know nobody to blame, Kurt Cobain, I did it to myself.
And we all just entertainers, and we're stupid.